Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for you, the 6127 Master Lock, the Pro Series. This was sent in Bill Bacardi's 200th subscriber giveaway. I picked it once, right as when I got it, and then I put it in a box and pretty well forgot about it. But this is a honking lock, guys. To compare it, here's your regular Master 700 series. It's a good size lock, you see. So we're gonna play with this one today. Got a little cover, and it's got a spring-loaded core, but it's got a dead shackle. So, and that thing is kind of a pain to get in there, so you gotta really push it in. Let's see what we can do with this bad boy. Oh, before we get started, here's your bitting on the key. Not the greatest bitting. See what we can get in here. Try to find the pins. Sorry if my hands are in the way, but it's just I don't have much angle options here. Feel something back here, but I don't know if I'm on there. That was number 5. Gave me something. Number 4 feels set. Do I have anything there? No. I felt something there. That was 2, I think. That was 1. Or no, maybe that was, yeah, that was 1. Go back. That's set. Maybe that was 2. Anything? Oh, I heard that one go. Ladies and gentlemen, there it is. Just broke my pig. Ain't that nice? Doggone it. That was not in the plans here. Doggone. I hate when that happens. I think I got pin 1 hiding back in here. I'm not. No. And that really hurt my feelings. Can't even find the pins now. Yeah, there's a pin right there I'm not getting on. I can't get him with that. No. I thought. Oh, you dirty dog. This is a tight keyway, and it's just giving me all sorts of problems now. I don't know where I'm at. Not getting any cooperation here. There. I feel it now. Would you go? There it is. Ah! just dropped it. Ah, my tension wrench just fell out. I just lost the whole thing. Ah, that's what happens when you have these dead cores. Don't keep doing that. Keeps falling out. I thought I had it. I don't think I'm going to get that one again. Yeah? Okay, stay in. Aha! Whew. I lost a nice pick over that. It served me well. Okay. We've got trust me, I checked this Allen screw before I started this because I didn't want to be here all day looking for the Allen wrench. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. Hey, come here. Come here. I'm having so much fun with this so far. Break my pick, you little fart. Oh, now it's being a real butthead. Okay. And we'll just do you like that. I think. I hope. Yep. Oh, there. 6-pin core, 5 pins populated. And it looks like we had to pick them all. But it didn't feel like it. 5 did not feel like it needed to be picked. 4 did not feel like it needed to be picked. Excuse me. I lost my pick. I'm all broken hearted now. I have another one of those. I just have to hunt it down because I have broken before. It's nothing new, and if you're a new picker, be expecting to be breaking picks. Because I'm still new and I'm breaking picks. Okay, just zap them out of here, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Got the shakes again. Be nice if I put them in the right order here. Lay off the caffeine, Dale. Okay, well, this is what we got in that lock. We have all standards on the bottom, and we have spools in 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a little kind of serrated standard in 5. So that's what's in the Master Pro Series 6127. Man, it's a hefty lock. Okay. Well, everybody, stay legal and have fun. Thanks for watching.